Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris and I'm not so crafty. Thank you guys so much for actually subscribing to my channel and watching these videos. Oh my god, it makes it worth it. Not gonna lie, I'm ready to give up. Your support means so much to me. I really hope you're liking this because I'm just about ready to give up. But no, I can't. I have to keep going. I have to keep going. I have to keep going. Okay. Knowing that you guys are watching my videos makes the hard work seem worth it, you know? So thank you. I appreciate you. And we gotta keep going, right? But anyways, I have an interesting one. I hope you guys like it. This is my bed, and we're here because I want to make a little throw blanket right here, a knitted throw blanket to put right here on my bed. And I don't want to make just a regular throw blanket. I want to make a giant blanket. Let me open it up. Have you ever seen something so beautiful? Look at this baby! I'm gonna make a throw blanket with this, and it's gonna be chunky. It's a chunky knitted blanket for those of you who are still suffering the cold. I myself am really hot. I have my fan because it's really hot today. But for those of you who are still suffering the cold, or for just because you want a blanket, I'm gonna teach you how to make a chunky throw blanket, or depending on how big you want it, you can make it as big as your whole entire bed. But these are kind of tiny bit expensive, so I'm just gonna make it as big as like a throw blanket right here for my bed. This is 5 pounds. This chunky monkey's 5 pounds. And yeah, I'm gonna knit a blanket. Hope you guys like it. Since this is the year of I want that, let's go for it. So I'm going for it. I'm making my own. You know? Okay, so let's get started. My battery's about to die. How do I start? Okay. A camera up here. Change positions. I changed positions a little bit so you can see my overview. Okay, so let's do this. So, gotta unwind it. Oh my gosh. As you unwind it, try to squeeze it in just so there won't be any loose fibers. Over here in Cali, I am toasting. I'm very hot. I'm sweating. I think I just hit menopause because I'm sweating crazy, like crazy. Okay, so after I got a few somewhat, okay, scoot over here. Okay, now we're gonna start at the beginning. So when you have it like this, you have to start at the beginning, obviously, right? Where else would you start? And you have to make kind of like one of these. Then you go in, and then you get the rest, and then you pull it out. And that's, you can start at the beginning. Don't make it too tight. Okay. See? Not too tight. Okay? And then when you're done with that, you're gonna go in, and you're gonna get the other one, and you're gonna pull it through. Okay? And you're gonna go in, you get the more, and you're gonna pull it through. And you're gonna make these little chains, and you're gonna keep going. Like expand them so they can be cute and fluffy. And then you're gonna keep going until you have the length that you want. And when you have the desired length that you want to move upwards. Like, I think for me this is going to be about it. Maybe one more. Okay. So when you have the length that you want to go upwards. And when you have it like this, so you're going to go the other way. We're ready to go up. You're going to get the last whoop, and then you're going to put your hand and you're going to get the working yarn and you're going to pull it out. You're going to pull it up like this. And then you're going to put this yarn on this side because you're going to go this way now. And we're going to get the next one after that, which is this one. I'm going to put, and you're going to pull it through. And then you're just going to leave it like that, and you're going to keep going to the next one. And you're going to pull it through. And you're going to do that for all of them. I'm nervous. I hope it comes out good. This is why we're not supposed to do it too tight, because then it doesn't come out. You can't really go in there. Don't make my mistake. Don't make it so tight. So when you get to the end, you're going to put your hand in, you're going to get the new one, and you're going to take it out, and you're going to put the new thread this way. Okay, oh my god, I'm so stupid. I had to restart the whole thing because I realized I made a mistake all the way down here. So now I have to restart. Oh shit. I made another mistake. I made a mistake all the way over here at the front. Oh, I'm so stupid. Whatever, I'm just gonna go with it. I accidentally tore them in half, so what you can do is you can just reconnect it like next to each other and kind of like twist them together, because it's okay. And like interweave them with each other so they can be one. So they can be one. See? So you can just keep going. Okay, so now that we're at the last and we don't have enough to go again, so now I have to end it. We're gonna end it. Okay, so we're gonna get this one and this one, two, and we're gonna pull it. And then we have this one and this one. Pull it. One and two. One and two. And there it is. There's my big, giant, chunky blanket. I love it so much. It's so fluffy. But oh my god, was it so difficult. I messed up. Like, as soon as I turned it off to do it off camera, I messed up. And I realized I messed up way in the back, so I had to redo that. It was just taking me a very, very long time. So if you guys decide to do this, know that it's not a 1 hour process or 10-minute process. It's, for me at least, it took me about 5 hours to finish this. I didn't finish until way late at night. I started pretty late as it is. So yeah, I just had to like tie it up as best as I could because I didn't have any more yarn. All in all, I'm not incredibly happy with it. There's some parts that I'm not 100% with. So if you decide to do this, when you're done knitting it, you have to put it in the dryer in no heat so it can tighten up, and then when you have it right here, it won't just get loose like that. But no heat so it doesn't lose its softness. I really like it. I think I might redo it again just because I'm not incredibly happy with it. It's not perfect. There's a lot of flaws in it. But hey, I did it, and it was the first time I did this chunky blanket, and it's cool, and I did it. I did it with my own hands, and now I have a chunky blanket, and it's so comfortable. And yeah, that's it. Now time for my craft jar. Okay, so I have my jar. Alright, so I have my jar, and let's fix the next video. Candle making. Who wants to make some candles? Finally, some crafts. Okay, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. That one I do know how to do. So I'm gonna tell you all about candle making if you guys come back next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit the like. Thank you for those of you who have been subscribing. I really appreciate you, and I will see you on the next one. I had to put on the same dress as yesterday just so I can finish this video, but yeah, it's the next morning. My voice changed because of changes in the morning, so yeah.